The Supreme Court of India has taken a significant step to broaden the scope of the rights of persons with Disabilities Act 2016 by including acid attack survivors who suffer internal injuries even if there is no visible disfigurement. In a ruling delivered on Monday, a bench comprising Chief Justice of India Surya Kant and Justice Joymalya Bagchi directed the Union government to amend the schedule under the Act to reflect this expanded definition. The court also stated that this change must be treated as if it has been part of the law since its inception. At present, the law recognizes acid attack victims only when they suffer visible disfigurement due to corrosive substances. However, the court observed that this narrow definition excludes victims who are forcibly administered acid or those who suffer serious internal injuries without any external signs. Invoking Article 142 of the Constitution, the Supreme Court ordered that until a formal amendment is made, acid attack victims must also include those who suffer internal injuries without visible disfigurement. The bench further directed the center to issue a notification within 2 weeks to implement this direction. The court passed this order after senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi pointed out that many survivors were being denied benefits under the 2016 Act due to its limited definition. In response, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta submitted that the schedule required amendment to address the issue. During the hearing, the court also made strong observations on stricter punishment for offenders, including the possibility of attaching their assets and considering property rights within joint Hindu families. It further noted that those illegally selling acid must face strict legal consequences. With this ruling, the Supreme Court has strengthened the legal protection for acid attack survivors and widened the scope of recognition under disability law. But the bigger question is, are our laws truly strong enough to ensure complete justice and dignity for every acid attack survivor in India? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.